So today we test out the Arc 140 DC stick welder that I got on eBay, brand new, for $100. Got this auto dimming welding helmet, brand new, $20. Online, Walmart was the cheapest. Never welded before in my life. I've seen tons of videos though. So here it is. I've never even turned it on. I just sort of plugged it in and got it all set up here. So let's turn it on. Our electrodes are not touching, so. Ooh. Camera froze and shut off right when I turned it on. But it's on now. This one has an exhaust fan and a digital display, and the other ones around $100 did not have that, so this one looked better to me. I've got these 4 welding rods that came with it. It's printed on them J422. It's not going to focus, but it says J422 down on them, so you can see it there. And I just found some pieces of old metal laying around. I'm going to try to weld up that joint right there. I'm going to try to tack just the corner first. So, I've got my gloves, I've got long sleeves on, I have a beanie on. I'm just going to get suited up here at the helmet and then get a good camera angle and we'll see what happens. Alright, I've moved all the flammables away, like that tank of propane that was sitting there. Whoa! Blew a hole right through her, didn't I? Wow. Adjust this helmet sensitivity a little bit. up a little bit too high. $20 auto darkening helmet is working. So sure about this helmet. Wow. They're kind of welded together. Couple tacks. I was sort of trying to tack it in a couple places, and they sort of did. But you can see the challenge with this kind of welder is striking the arc, because you have to press it kind of hard. You can't be delicate about how you're starting the weld, like if you want to get it exactly on this one place. But she is connected fairly. Let's see. Nah. I mean, it looks like there was about 2 good tacks that connected there. So I've got a resonator to weld on, but I don't think I'm good enough yet, so I have to go get clamps at the store or something. Maybe I'll tack it and clamp it or something. We'll see. Alright, so quick update. It turns out I had this welding helmet set to grind, and so that's the reason it wasn't darkening. You can see right there is a grind setting, and then there's numbers around this. I didn't understand what this was at first, but it's the tint level. So grind is no tint, and the more you turn it up, the more it tints it when you're welding. And because there's controls in here too, sensitivity and delay, so I didn't realize there's additional controls on the outside. But anyway, it's working now, and I just tried it, and I can actually see what I'm welding when the arc strikes, instead of just seeing bright. So I turned down the welder to about 30 amps. You can go up to 140, but this stuff is so thin. I'll get my gloves on. Looks like 30 amps is even a little bit too much, but it's almost working good. We're at 22 amps now. Yes, getting this thing started. There we go. That's not bad. Oh, burned through a little bit. Wow. Must be one of the ugliest welders I've ever seen in my life. Look at that. That's not too bad, huh? Let's do the other side. Oh, there we go. It's working pretty good. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, this helmet's working good now too. I can see what I'm doing. It's like a grown-up sparkler today. Alright. Pretty happy with that. Oh yeah, it's all globbed together like a big ugly booger. This one. Oh, see, I can break it apart, but it was a lot harder than my last one, so. Good. Yeah. So, I'm starting to get better at striking it out there towards the end. You don't even have to touch it, you can just get really close. Once the stick is warmed up, once the stick is hot and the metal's hot and it's struck a couple times, you don't need to touch it again. You just get it close and it ignites itself is when you get it close to it. So, and I was using negative side for the electrode and positive side for the workpiece. The manual said that you can use either one for either. It just depends on what you're welding and how it's coming out. And if it splatters a lot, you can try switching it and sometimes it works better. But I figured I'd do negative because that's where the current comes from, I think. Anyway, see you next time.